Another road trip. Yay! Where to? Khor Fakkan. Oh yes, Khor Fakkan, here we come. Yay!
Every time I see your face, I know I've come to the right place. And every time I see you smile, I can feel it for a long while. And I'm so excited to wake up and see your face with no makeup, see what trouble we can shake up.
Hello, welcome to the Nyagas in Dubai channel. Yes guys, we're on a road trip to Khor Fakkan, but we stopped by to show you this amazing beautiful desert. In case you haven't seen the desert, this is how it looks like. We're actually on our way to the #1 destination for road trips, and that is a place called Khor Fakkan. Yes guys, Khor Fakkan is found in an emirate called Sharjah, but it's tucked into another emirate called Fujairah. But we are going to go through the longest tunnel in the Middle East, and we're going to show you the biggest man-made waterfall in the UAE, and we're also going to show you the latest addition to the tourist destination attractions in the Khor Fakkan, and that is the Khor Fakkan Amphitheatre. So guys, this video is just packed with a lot to see, so please stay with us and let's continue our road trip to Khor Fakkan.
The road was so smooth, the sceneries are breathtaking, and the place is so wonderful. And some of us started dozing, and so we had to stop the car and jump, stretch, jump, stretch, so that we can continue the rest of our road trip and enjoy it.
So guys, we're in the Khor Fakkan road, and you can see so many beautiful hills and mountains of rock. But the amazing thing guys is right there. Imagine inside these hills and rocky mountains, there's a tunnel. Not only just a tunnel, but the longest tunnel in the Middle East. Can you believe it? Building a tunnel inside those mountains, inside those rocky hills. This took $1.5 billion budget, guys. It's no joke. And we're going to go through this tunnel. In fact, it's a combination of 5 tunnels. And the longest one is 2.7 kilometers long. So guys, stay with us and enjoy the joyride because it's gonna be amazing. So guys, let's go.
13 kilometers in length. Here we go.
Yay! Wow! Love it already.
Wow, this is amazing.
2.7 kilometers of covered tunnel in rocky mountains. Wow, the UAE doesn't stop to amaze me. This is just mind-blowing, guys. Just look at it.
Oh yes, mind-blowing indeed.
How y'all feel out there? I'm light years, call me eons. When the snare kick in, the beat is neon. Lights, yeah, I'm feeling magnificent. Yeah.
We're coming to the end of the tunnel. There's light at the end of the tunnel. Just see the mountains welcoming us out of the tunnel, guys. Look at that scenery. Look at that beauty. It's just so amazing, so beautiful, guys. Enjoy this, enjoy. It says welcome to Khor Fakkan. We're in Khor Fakkan, guys.
And we're entering another tunnel ahead of us again.
Whoa!
How y'all feel out there? I'm light years, call me eons. When the snare kick in, the beat is neon.
This is the second tunnel we're getting into. Just look at it. It's called Algazil Tunnel.
How y'all feel out there? light years, call me eons. When the snare kick in, the beat is neon.
We're coming to the end of the second tunnel. This is the Algazil Tunnel, and just look at the scenery as you go out of the tunnel. Just appreciate this scenery, guys. Look at that. Just look at that. So beautiful.
How y'all feel out there?
I'm light years, call me eons. When the snare kick in, the beat is neon.
Guys, I'm telling you, this is just a joyride. Yeah, we have gone through 2 tunnels so far, and we are going to the third one. It's like roller coaster. We're just going through tunnels and tunnels. Guys, this is the third one. It's called Almutaker Tunnel. As you can see, its construction is going on one side, so we all have to use one lane in this case. And yes, it is beautiful, beautiful.
How y'all feel out there?
I'm light years, call me eons. When the snare kick in, the beat is neon. Lights, yeah, I'm feeling magnificent. Care less what I'm up against. Yeah, you know I stay fresh like peppermint. And I dive head first when I jump in it. I run it back like a champ, won't fumble it. And you ain't gotta ask, you know we running it. Flip the script and keep y'all wondering. Hot topic, I stay bubbling. Big pesos, I don't take no.
Guys, we're coming to the end of the third tunnel. It has been the longest. We couldn't see the end of it. But finally, yes, here we are. Another beautiful scenery welcoming us. There's a lot of construction going on, so there's a lot of diversions. We have to follow one lane. And but the traffic is going on very smoothly. And yes, we're out of the construction. So we continue with our journey in Khor Fakkan.
You feeling good like me? Here's a toast. I could do this all night, double dose. So contagious.
No, you.
Guys, this is super amazing. We're getting just bonus of tunnels. We're entering in the 4th tunnel. It's called Saha Tunnel. Yes, guys, enjoy the ride. We're going inside the tunnel. Whoa.
This is the shortest.
And this is the shortest. We just got in, and yes, we're getting out. Wow, that's tunnel number 4, and now we're going to tunnel number 5. This is super exciting. This tunnel is called Saqb Tunnel. We're going in Saqb Tunnel. This is tunnel number 5.
Are you feeling yourself? Yeah, I'm feeling. Are you feeling yourself?
Yeah, I'm feeling myself.
Are you feeling yourself?
Yeah, I'm feeling myself.
Are you feeling yourself?
Yeah, I'm feeling myself.
Are you feeling yourself? Yeah, I'm feeling myself.
Guys, we're coming to the end of tunnel number 5, Saqb Tunnel, and yes, welcoming you is the beautiful scenery. Just look at that. Just look at that amazing scenery.
Welcome to Khor Fakkan. Welcome to Khor Fakkan. This is the Khor Fakkan.
Look at this huge, massive roundabout with 4 big fountains. It's so beautiful, guys. It's just so breathtaking, so neat, so clean, so beautiful, so refreshing. Just looking at this water. And guys, this is the amazing thing about the UAE. Wherever you go, it's the same standard. The standard of attention to detail, the standard of beauty, the standard of maintaining the infrastructure, and everything is just on top, guys. It's just on top. This country never stops to amaze me. And see, this place is surrounded by the mountains. From there, all around, you can see the beautiful landscape. You know, it's so beautiful. it to have the beauty of the town. This is just awesome, guys. It's awesome. And down there where you see so many buildings, that's the Khor Fakkan town. It's a busy place, as you can see, and so beautiful from here, from up here. It looks so nice. And if you notice, compared to Dubai, it doesn't have that much of skyscraper buildings. It's just all the buildings are same level and just beautiful and quiet. It's a nice place to live, actually. What about Dragon? What is that one? That one, what is that?
Orange Justice.
Okay, do that one. Just do it.
I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it.
Do like that. Until like this. Ah, you can do that. Are you ready? We're going to see the biggest waterfall in the UAE. Just look at that beauty.
Oh,
are
yes.
you ready?
Yes,
are you
yes,
ready?
yes. We are approaching it. My goodness. This is wonderful, amazing.
Whoa.
Wow. Imagine this is just in a mountain. I mean, it's flowing from the mountain.
Wow. Guys, just look at that. Just look at that.
It is flowing from the mountain, guys. This is the rock. This is a rocky mountain. Look at this, the wonders of the UAE.
Wow.
This
wow.
never seems to cease, UAE. Tuna parking depends. Over your Mavega. We're just going to park here and get to see the good view of it.
To visit the UAE, this is the bus for you. These are tour buses that in every Emirate of the UAE. They're really fantastic because you just have to book them and they'll take you around town, going sightseeing, all the major places that you can see. They're really so cool, especially if you're on the upper deck, you get the best view of each and everything. So when you visit UAE, please book for your trip. You'll love it. Guys, we're heading to the amphitheater. As I say, it's next to the waterfall. So this is the amphitheater. It's on 190,000 square feet. Just see how huge it is. Just see how huge it is. So massive. Let's go check it out. Guys, I'm just loving this Khor Fakkan place. It's just so nice. Right where we are at the amphitheater, you can look across. There is the Khor Fakkan Corniche. Corniche is like beach. Just see that amazing view. You know, people are exercising, they're running, they're having good time, family time. It's so nice. And right there You can see the mountains, the views, all in one spot. You get to see so much going on. This is the night view of the amphitheatre. We stayed back just to get this glimpse.
Oh yes, that was a wonderful and awesome tour to Khorfakkan. We had a wonderful time over there. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Thank you so much for your love and support always. If you're new here, please subscribe. And for returnees, thank you so much guys. Till next time.